2014 Stolen Casino. The white wall, double wall rim, the stolen revolver. I upgraded the pedals to metal pedals because it came with plastic ones. I took the brake off. It's kind of silly. It's a pretty sweet bike. I had my neighbor riding it in the previous video, so he's kind of a dummy. But it's a pretty nice bike. I also had a pretty good idea about the reflector. I took the reflectors off and I found some of those 3M like reflective what do you call it, the stickers with the numbers, and I just cut off the thing, and you can see it right there, but it helps a lot. I also cut another one up and put it here and here. Definitely helps. Got another one right there, and I put the Dance Comp sticker over it. But pretty cool bike. Real sturdy. I laced the spokes myself. But there's like, comes with like a crest. I don't know if you can see that with the light off. No, not really. Anyway, this is the bike check for the 2014 Stolen Casino.